सदन में तख्तियां लाना हमारे नियम प्रक्रिया के अनुसार नहीं है।
ये डिजिटल इंडिया नहीं है बल्कि सर्वेलेंस इंडिया।
Not a shred of evidence has come.
If the government didn't authorize it and didn't do it, then who did it?
An attempt to malign the Indian democracy and its well-established institutions.
The NSO group, the Israeli company that manufactures Pegasus, says they only sell it to governments. And indeed, it costs a fortune. I think it's about $7 million for the software. Obviously, only governments will be able to spend that kind of money. So the question that comes up is, who has done it? So if the government of India did it, that's very bad. If somebody not authorized by the government of India did it, that's even worse. And if a foreign government, say China or Pakistan, did it in snooping on our people, then national security demands that our government should want to investigate it. This is why I feel that an independent investigation is absolutely indispensable.
कि इस देश के 1500 से भी ज़्यादा प्रमुख लोगों के अगर फ़ोन टैप किए जाते हैं तो ज़रूर उनका मकसद है और ये देश को खतरा है, देश की स्वतंत्रता को खतरा है। मुझे लगता है देश के प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री ने सामने आकर उस बारे में देश की जनता को बताना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है।
The press reports have appeared a day before the monsoon session of the parliament. This cannot be a coincidence, Honorable Speaker, sir. In the past, similar claims were made regarding the use of Pegasus on WhatsApp. Those reports had no factual basis and were categorically denied by all parties, including in the Supreme Court. The press reports of 18 July 2021 also appear to be an attempt to malign the Indian democracy and its well-established institutions. The report itself clarifies that presence of a number in the list does not amount to snooping. NSO has also said that the list of countries shown using Pegasus is incorrect. It also said that most of its clients are Western countries. Any form of illegal surveillance is not possible with the checks and balances in our laws and robust institutions.
मोदी जी कहते हैं कि हम डिजिटल इंडिया की पैरवी करते हैं, लेकिन आज हम ये देख रहे हैं कि ये डिजिटल इंडिया नहीं है बल्कि सर्वेलेंस इंडिया। NSO products are used exclusively by government intelligence law enforcement agencies to fight crime and terror। और ये इस्तेमाल असलियत में किसके खिलाफ हो रहे हैं? जिनको मोदी जी समझते हैं कि वो मोदी जी के लिए कोई खतरा पैदा कर सकते हैं, उनके खिलाफ ये पेगासस को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। जो मोदी जी के खिलाफ बात उठाने की हिम्मत रखते हैं, दम रखते हैं, उनके ऊपर ये खुफिया एजेंसी को तैनात किया जाते हैं।
Not a shred of evidence has come that in this entire Pegasus story there is any linkage of the government or the Bharatiya Janata Party. Can we deny that bodies like Amnesty had a declared anti-India agenda in many ways? Those who have broken the story themselves did not claim that the presence of a particular number in the database does not confirm that infected with Pegasus.